everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Somya here.
Today I will show you two cute ways to say sorry to someone, whoever you want to, like ma, papa, and your loved ones, whoever you want to say sorry and make them feel special and important too. You can make these two very easily. I make this prop by pasting two sheets together, but I paste a kulfi stick between these pink and black sheet to hold the prop. The pink sheet is little bigger than the black sheet, and I wrote I am sorry on it with a silver glitter pen. I make this message roll with joining two A4 black sheet, and I join the ends of these two sheet with the favicol and double sided tape, and I wrote a message in it with silver glitter pen, same as in prop. I want to say something to that person whom I want to say sorry, so I write some messages in it. I also stick some pictures, 2-3 pictures in it, because I have those but this is optional. You can paste pics, but the message is also enough for that. This types things I want to share these with you people. You can also make your own. I So yeah, go and make your own. Thank you guys for watching my video and supporting me so much. Please keep watching and keep liking, share, commenting. Hey guys, subscribe my channel for more creative ideas.